welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another unboxing video, and this time we're going to do Ipsy's Glam bag. So Ipsy's Glam bag is $12 a month. They do have like 3 different tiers that you can get. The Glam bag that's $12, you get 5 sample, deluxe sample, or sometimes full-size items. The $25 one, which is the middle one, it's like the Ipsy Plus, and it's $25 every month, and it's 5 full-size items. And then they have an ultimate bag, and it's like $50, and you get 8 full-size and then like 4 deluxe samples. I did used to get it. I had an issue with a couple bags, and it made me mad. So at the moment, I am not getting it, but I do pay for all of my boxes and bags myself. So without further ado, let's just open up this little bag and see what we got. So I like this holographic bag, and so the first item obviously is going to be a brush, and it's by Monda. It says it's an angled brush, so this is what it looks like. And then it's really soft. I like that. I like getting brushes in this bag because I only pay $12, and to get a brush like this pays for it. I'm sure that this brush probably will say is worth like $16 or $25, but either way, it's going to be definitely more than the $12 for the bag. So let's see what else we got. Says the future is yours. Of course, they didn't add anything to it. If I wanted to look it up on my app, I could, but for now, let's not worry about that. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is by Geo. Be gentle, be kind, avocado and kiwi mega moisturizing superfood mask. To be honest, I don't use very many masks, but when I do, I probably am not going to use but maybe half this tube at a time. So that's nice. And try it out. The next item is by Ipsy, and it is a eye pen. This looks like it's just a crayon. It is only a pencil anyway. It's going to take me forever to get in this thing. Are you kidding me? This isn't like a Fort Knox thing. Why would you even bother? Oh. Okay, so it says that it is a crayon and pewter. So, it goes on nice. Just like creamy. Kind of looks more like a gray. I like that, actually. And the next item is in bubble wrap. This is the item I picked. Oh my goodness. So this is just too cute. But how do you get into it? Oh. So it's a quad. It's actually a quad. It's not very big, but it's alright. I mean, you get 3 shimmer shades and 1 matte. That's not bad. But it is by Oriza Beauty, and it's called a Camo Shimmer Palette. So, it's cute. And the last item is by Catherine Malandrino. It's Special Moments. I think this is a perfume. I think I've actually gotten this once before or something similar. The only thing I don't like about these is these have a tendency of really smelling at first like alcohol. It does wear down, but it at first just is overwhelming with alcohol. It says it's supposed to have ingredients: alcohol, fragrance, and then water. But it doesn't tell me any notes, but it does smell a little, I know that smell, a cross between a flower and patchouli. So that is the Glam bag that I got for this month. Like I said, it only cost me $12, but that's kind of nice. Full-sized brush, full-sized eyeliner, nice spray bottle of perfume, and then a quad that's kind of small, and then the mask. So, and this neat little holographic bag, which I think will fit everything but maybe the brush. And that is all. So if you like this or any of my other unboxing items, you can surely make sure you click down below in the description. I do leave a link for every box that I do get or have gotten. And as always, don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when I upload. Click the bell to get a notification for it. And make sure you like this video. I heart your face. I will see you in the next video. Bye.